Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the Shopify plan settings and how to adjust your Shopify plan. So starting off in the Shopify admin, we're going to go to the bottom left to the settings tab, and we're going to go over to the plan tab. So Shopify offers a few different plans for Shopify store, and they mainly differ in a few different perks, but the main differences are really the discounts that they offer for shipping and the transaction fees that they give you for each plan. So the plans are a flat rate plan, and as you go up on the flat rate plan, they give you lower transaction fee percentages. So as you hit certain milestones with your Shopify store, it pays to upgrade. So in the plan details section, you'll be able to see the plan that you have enabled and the payment frequency that you have for your Shopify plan. So with this being a development store, we don't have a Shopify plan enabled, but here you'd be able to see and control that information. And Shopify also gives you discounts if you opt in for annual or multi-year agreements with Shopify. So right now, this would be our billing cycle, and we would have our payment method assigned here. Right now, it's assigned to PayPal, but you can always click Change Payment Method, and it will take you to the billing section where you can make that change. If you want to upgrade your store, you can click Change Plan over here. And here is a breakdown of the different Shopify plans and what the perks are between those plans. So each plan gives you a different amount of members that can be on your store, a different amount of locations that your store can have, different levels of reports, and here are the shipping discounts and the different options that come with all the different plans. So once you choose your plan, you'll have the option to choose whether or not it's an annual or a monthly plan, and they will show the difference between the different pricings. So if you have an active plan on your Shopify store and you want to deactivate your store, you can click deactivate your store over here, and you can choose whether or not you just want to permanently close it, or you can choose to temporarily close it. But in this case, we're going to leave the store open, and you can control that here. So if you wanted to change your billing, you can click Change Billing Method, and over here it will take you to the billing section where you can add a different payment method, different credit card, and swap out your primary billing over here. And down here in the billing section, it will also show you the currency that you're billed in, the different subscriptions that you have on your store, so the different apps and the different Shopify plans that you're paying for will all be broken down over here, as well as the frequency. And then down here, you can see any upcoming bills, any credits that you're going to get credited from Shopify, and a summary of charges from Shopify within the last 90 days, which you can click here and see a breakdown of those charges.